Hello, and welcome to this introduction course. In this course, you will learn how to use Business World Web as a professional user. Some elements included in this course are learning about clients, learning how to access and use the web application, learning how to navigate, learning how to capture data, learning how to create new master files, and learning how to do basic inquiries. We will be using the web application and version Milestone 7 for this course. We recommend completing this course using either the Agilix training database or your organization's own training database. So let's get started with the first part, understanding the Business World application.